Pelican Seafood Marketing Grill, fish tips. Today we're doing something really simple but really special. This is gonna get you out of a jam. Let's say you forgot to bring dinner home. No problem, we got you covered. We're gonna do a very simple version of garlic shrimp. These are Pacific white shrimp. We sell them in the market. We sell them thawed for you. So if you're really in a pinch, come in, they're ready to go. You'll have dinner ready in 5 minutes. We also sell them frozen, so you can be a little more prepared. You can pull them out of the freezer, thaw them, and then we're gonna walk you through the rest of the step. I have a large pan. I have it on a high heat. It's getting pretty hot. We'll know when we add our butter. We're gonna start with butter. I'm gonna add a little bit of canola oil just so the butter doesn't burn too quickly. And then we wanna coat the bottom of the pan with our fat. And then our shrimp. Just gonna leave the butter another second. I'm gonna put all our shrimp in there. Spread them out so that they've got a nice good bubble on. And then we're gonna go pepper. We got some salt. We've got some chili flake because I like it spicy. A little more chili flake because Jim likes it spicy. So we're just gonna cook them. You know a shrimp is cooked when the color changes. It's pretty simple. You don't want to overcook your shrimp, it'll get really rubbery, but you definitely want it cooked through, especially for this application. We have a good amount of garlic here. I'd probably call it 2 tablespoons chopped fresh garlic in the pan. Get it all out. And we're gonna start to flip them around and get that garlic coated all around them. Get the chili flake, get them nice and spicy. Make sure the ones that didn't behave. And you know, I like butter, so I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. Okay, so we're gonna have a few ways to eat this dish. My personal favorite is out of a bowl, just by hand. It's a nice little appetizer. You're making dinner, pull this one out, snack while you're making dinner. Or you have some spaghetti, perhaps you have rice. Your dish is done, that's dinner. So the shrimp, almost cooked. We're gonna hit it with, I have some dill, I have some parsley, I have some chives. I have some lemons. Some nice fresh squeezed lemon juice. Let's do 1 whole lemon, just because we want to coat our noodles. All that juice out of there. Keep it cooking for another minute. Give them a toss. Look at them get all coated and shiny. Oh, they look so good. This, my friends, is garlic lemon shrimp. Here's your bowl of warm noodles. And we're just gonna, look at that. And let's say you wanted to pass them around. And you just fill a bowl. You put them on the counter. Turn off your heat before you eat one. Oh, chef always eats first. That's delicious. And look at that. How fast did you make dinner? You are a hero tonight. Enjoy.